Welcome to the 3rd Annual Faculty Convocation at the University of Maryland, Baltimore. Today, we gather in a spirit of camaraderie to mark the start of a new academic year and celebrate the outstanding achievements of our faculty.
I am so excited to get to speak to you all today about my sister, Brandy. She's the oldest of my 3 siblings and I, and she has cerebral palsy and developmental disabilities. I do not speak for Brandy, but I do speak here to you on her behalf. And if she could talk to you now, I think she would say, see me and not my CP and IDD. Respect me as a person. Don't pity or patronize me as a disabled or impaired person.
Listen to others, especially outside your circle. If you don't listen to others outside your circle, then you are an online influencer, and you're the sort of people that with the agenda that we're trying to solve.
This might be a little bit surprising to you, but the University of Maryland at Baltimore is not a graduate school. It's not a professional school. It's a university that's dedicated to helping people. And by choosing to become faculty here, you have chosen a life of purpose.
I kind of find these talks as a really great reminder of our human side, of our not only solidarity, because it's like all of us are here together, but that, we're better together.
I think this event is such a great addition to a fabulous institution, and I'm so glad it's continuing, and I learn more every time about the richness and depth of my colleagues.
I think you have seen that the excellence at this university is on full display here today. I hope you see when you look around this campus that you see a sense of vibrancy. It's growing.